Determine the number of cement of bags required in 1 cubic meter of concrete. How many cement bags are in 1 cubic meter of concrete? The first step is determine the mixed ratio of the class of concrete used. That is cement sand is to ballast. M10 as 1 is to 3 is to 6. M15 as 1 is to 2 is to 4. M20 as 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. And M25, that is class 25, has a ratio of 1 is to 1 is to 2. The ratio means in every 1 bag of cement, there is a bag of sand and 2 bags of ballast. Assume M20, that is 1 is to 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. If summing up the number in the ratio, you get a summation of 5.5. That is 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. Assume an expansion factor is 50% for cement. This implies that the concrete will have a shrinkage ratio of 1.5. The volume of cement required per cubic meter of concrete will be 1.5 over the summation of the numbers in the ratio, that is 5.5. We get 0.22272727 recurrently. The density of cement is 1440 kilograms per meter cubic. The mass of cement in 1 cubic meter of M20 concrete will be now equal to the ratio, the volume we found multiplied by the density of cement. You get 392 kgs. Each bag of cement has 50 kgs. Therefore, 1 cubic meter of M20 concrete has 8 bags of cement. Thanks.